Hello everyone and welcome back to Joel's DIY. Today was a day to sort out all the electronics and make sure that they all fit into the body. One of the problems that I came up with was the fact that these parts didn't exactly fit into the body. So far I was able to fit this into the bridge. So there's the bridge. These are wired for coil split, so that'll be going in. I also got the one for the pick guard, which fits just fine. So that's also ready to go. That is also coil split. So while I was taking apart the control plate for the Telecaster, let's see if I can. This will not fit into this, so we're gonna have to actually drill the holes to make them a little bit bigger. These are these are going to be the electronics that will go into the control cavity plate. As you can see, we have one push-pull and a three-way. So it'll be just like a Telecaster, except that it's going to have humbuckers, and you got the push-pull if you want to go into single coil, full humbucker. So I will do that now and see how it turns out. Now, as you can see, I've already drilled the holes, and I've already put in the new pots. You can see right there. This fit just fine into the control cavity for the Telecaster. There's the body. So let's see if I can move that right over here. But that is a good fit as far as the control cavity. Well, that more or less is ready to go, as you can see right there. And like I told you before, we're gonna put in the push-pull pot is this one right here. So that's already ready to go. It's a three-way. Also, another thing to mention, unfortunately, the screws for the humbuckers don't go quite all the way. So as you can see right here, I've already started to mark where I'm going to drill so that we have more room for those screws. That also came up with the neck pickup, so we're also going to do that for that. That's where we're at right now with the build. So I will be drilling some holes into the body. We'll come back with the body with the holes. Let's have a look. So the parts weren't fitting quite right into the body. So what I ended up doing to make them fit was to drill holes into the cavities so that the screws can fit all the way through. So what I did is I measured, and I got a drill bit and I rolled up a little bit of tape just to kind of give me the depth of where the hole was going to be. And as you can see, it worked quite well. Here are the holes for the screws. You can see that right there. I drilled that hole right there and that hole right there. So everything's fitting right now. Here's the neck pickup, neck humbucker. You can see See the camera, raise the camera just a little bit. As you can see, the holes are perfect for our pickup. So that just fits just right. Now in the next couple of days, we're definitely going to be working on the belly of the guitar. Let's see if I can turn this without dropping everything. Actually, I'll just go ahead and pull these out, being that I'm not going to install them quite yet. And next, we will definitely start working on the belly. Okay. I've already made the markings. Let's see if I can angle this right. But I've actually already started working on the markings for the belly. I've made a line of what I'm going to sand off. And you can see that right there. And I've also made a line for the actual, so we can get that into focus. Back it up just a little bit. And I've actually already started making a line for the thickness of what I'm going to sand off. So in the next couple of days, I'm hoping that I get this done and get it ready for paint, and then we'll start staining that that color on the top. We're probably going to go for a mahogany color in the back. And once I get that smoothed out with the belly cut, it should look quite nice and comfortable to play. You're probably asking why it's taking so long to get this done when I've had a couple of other things come up during the week. So I'm still trying to finish up as much as I can, but it's going to take time. But the belly cut is probably going to be in the next couple of days, probably before the end of the week. So please stay tuned for that. This is Joel from Joel's DIY signing off. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good one.